Welcome to ETO Team Mathematics Tutorial. Today we'll be looking at domain of a function. Part 1. In each of the following functions, find the domains of f of x. F of x is defined by here root x minus 2. F of x is given by root 4 minus x squared. F of x equals to x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. For f of x equals to 5x plus 2. 5. F of x is given by absolute value of 3x minus 6. 6. F of x is defined by x plus 2 all over the absolute value of x plus 2. Solution. F of x is defined by x minus 2. And we're looking for the set of values of x for which this function is defined. And this set of values of x, we're looking in terms of real numbers. So we have the square root of a number give real root for numbers that are not complex or greater than or equals to 0. If you're looking at this root to give you a number that is what is not complex, that means that this sign x minus 2 must be greater or equals to 0. So we say x minus 2 greater or equals to 0 means that x is greater or equals to 2. So the domain of this function is set of values of x for which this function is greater or equals to 2. Now, for f of x equals to root 4 minus x squared. 4 minus x squared is greater or equals to 2 equals to 0, implying that 2 minus x squared equals 4 is the same thing as 2 squared minus x squared is greater or equals to 0. Now, you talk about difference of 2 squared. When you say 2 squared, 2 squared minus x squared is greater or equals to 0, implies that 2 minus x all into 2 plus x is greater or equals to 0. So we have 2 minus x is greater or equals to 0 and 2 plus x is greater or equals to 0. Now 2 is greater or equals to x and x is greater or equals to minus 2, which implies combine these two. You have minus 2 is less or equals to x less or equals to 2. Now 2 minus x less or equals to 0 and 2 plus x less or equals to 0, because if you have two numbers multiplied together give you greater or equals to 0, simply means that what the numbers, two numbers have the same sign. Meaning that multiply the two give you what? The two of them must have either positive or negative. So you have 2 is less or equals to x and x is less or equals to minus 2. Now if you combine this is contradictory because 2 cannot be less than the same x less than or less or equals to minus 2. So we take x in the domain as minus 2 to 2. Now for the third case, f of x is x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. That's the thing as h of x over g of x. Now for this to be defined, then g of x must not be equals to 0. Meaning that h of x is comparing h minus 1 and g of x is x minus 2. Now h of x is defined for all x. G of x is defined for all x. Now, but since g of x must not be, or g of x 0, if x minus 2 equals 0, implying that x equals to 2. Since g of x must not be 0, it implies that x must not be equals to 2. So x is all real number, exception of 2, as x is not equals to 2. Thank you viewers for watching this video. Subscribe, like, share the videos, and drop comments for the discussions. Thank you.